This spool is insane.
Yeah, it's a big 10K spool.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be scanning the car. So we are just gonna get today started and head over to Infamous, talk to Jesse and get this thing scanned up. And then from there we'll be able to start doing some CAD modeling and make the wide body like perfect. So let's get it. So, we are here. Yo! Good, you? Holy yeah, that thing puts off some heat.
Puts up some serious heat. Both beds are set to 70, so.
Oh yeah. And that's a big bed to be heating.
A gigantic bed. It's got an inner and outer zone for both the heat beds, so I'll both of them turned on and pretty much cranked.
Yeah. That's sick though. This spool is insane.
Yeah, it's a big 10K spool now.
Like, I've only ever printed on like desktop printers, so like I'm used to like the 1 kg. And what size nozzle do you
1 mil nozzle.
1 mil.
So the toughest cars to do are this like deep black or green, something like
Yeah.
that paints, because instead of it having a matte surface, it's like
Yeah.
a deep mirror.
And so like that spray is basically just to like cut reflection and stuff like that?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. The lasers don't, well, they like reflection, they get a little too much.
I guess. Sweet.
Yeah, so it just gives it a nice matte finish for the laser to work on.
So like what is the purpose of that?
The purpose of these, what they do is they track the distances between each of the dots, and it gives it a reference point of where it's scanning in space. When you have a big panel like this, if you're to take this section here, because we have these 3 ridges, we could be scanning here or here within some degree of difference, right? So when the scanner's going over top, it's smart, but if everything looks essentially the same, it's not going to know exactly where in space it is. So what these dots do is they give it that extra little bit of reference so that it can really pick up on where it is, where it's been, and where it's going. Yep.
Made in Germany, that's why it's more than $50.
That's why it's expensive, exactly. Power of German engineering.
Yeah. Damn, that's crazy. They're not even like the tall cans either. Like
No,
they're just like
they're shorty cans.
short.
Out of here.
Thanks, man.
No worries, thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you. So we got the rear fender and the front fender and my front grille and also the rear windshield. We got that all scanned. So now I have all those files and I'll just work with those to design my fenders and stuff, and hopefully like this week I can start actually printing some parts. So that's sick. Huge shout out to Infamous. Just awesome guys all around. Really great to work with, even if you're standing there and watching them work. But you know, it was awesome. Really cool to see them do what they know, and super sick to get scans of the car. So make sure you follow us on our social media, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, and subscribe to our channel, and catch you guys next time.